So you're back for question 8. Good on you. Let's go. So let's see the question first. This one is a doozy. This one is a long one, okay? Which makes it take some time, but it's not. I'm not going to say it's easy because nothing in life is easy, but it's doable, okay? So it's just long, and you need some patience to do that. So let's just check the instructions. This is basically requesting you to use ACLs. It's long and boring but doable. Okay, so copy the file to there, and this is a set of instructions to do one by one on that file. So let's do one step at a time. So let's copy this file there and make sure that the root is the owner. This is the easy part. Okay, so let's go. Let's copy cp etc fs tab /var_temp. Now we go to there. Let's confirm the file is here. Yeah, les -la fs tab. I need to go to temp. ls -la fs tab. So let's go back here. So yeah, the root is the owner, should be, and this is done because this is the default. This only goes wrong if something goes wrong, so everything's fine. File is not executable by no one. The file is not executable by no one. I mean, do I have to do anything? I don't think I can. So it's not executable by no one. So let's go back to this one to make sure that at the end nobody can execute. I put here a note to come and check. So it is as it is. Harry can read and write the file. Okay, fine. So let's go and do the set FACL modify user Harry. What did I say? Can read and write. Okay, read and write the FS tab file. So that's basically it. Next one is Natasha can do nothing. Well, he cannot read and write, and she could not execute by this directive, so she can do nothing. Fine. Set FACL modify user Natasha. And if you want to specify nothing, you just add --. So she can do nothing because nobody can execute. She cannot read and write, so he has no permissions whatsoever. So let's just say this is done. This is done. Everybody else, users that exist in OWL, can read the file. So I think that's basically done, because if you do get FACL, it's exactly that. Everyone else that exists can read the file. So everybody can read the file because the others can read the file. So that's basically it, right? I mean, I'm seeing this and I feel it's too easy maybe, but it's all done. So let's check again. Root it's done. Yeah, correct. The user and group it's done. Root belongs to root, is not executable by no one. Yeah, nobody has execute. Nobody has execute. So that's fine. Harry can read and write the file. Yep, Harry can write the file. And Natasha cannot do nothing. Natasha cannot do nothing. And everybody else can read now and in the future. Yep, it looks to be okay. Again, some points here. You are moving along the exam, feeling more confident at every question. So this was question 8, all about ACLs. Like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.